Sige lang, spread lang kayo, boys. Spread. Keep spreading. Hilson Danera. Keep spreading. Hello. Keep spreading. Hello. Heals on me. Hello, heals on me. Keep spreading lang, boys. Spread lang. Spread. Heals on me. Okay, we're going to engage north. Hold. Wait. Okay, southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southeast now. Hit the shit, boys. Then brawl. Spread again. Keep spreading. Drop to this. Demon. Come east. Brawl, spread. You have to be spread, boys. Spread. Sige lang, spread. Heal up. Try to stabilize. Keep healing. Look for lows. Look for healers. Okay, we're going to engage northwest, boys. Northwest. Look northwest. Find me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now. Hit this shit. Then brawl. Spread and brawl. Boys. Sige lang. Spread and brawl, boys. Our next engage will be on 8 seconds, boys. 8 seconds. Drop your Judy. Drop your Guardian. Okay, hold. Dep. Okay, look on the middle. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the middle now. Hit the shit. Then spread now. Spread again. Keep spreading. Dropping Judy. Spread. Dep. 3 DPS na lang. Out. Heals on me. Meron ba?